Well, good morning from Hollywood Studios. I'm with Princess here. We're having a little daddy-daughter day, and we just got into early entry hours. And it's about 7:40, so they let us in a little early. And we're gonna see what we can get done in a few hours. What are we doing first?
We're doing Slinky Dog.
Slinky Dog first? Okay, we're gonna do Slinky Dog, and then see what else we can get done. So hopefully we can get in maybe 4, maybe 5 rides?
Maybe.
Maybe, all right. All right, let's see how much we can get done, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
So if I were to guess, we got over here at about 7:30. We're staying over at Caribbean Beach. And I would say we're probably one of the first 100 people in the park. Which, for us, we don't do a lot of rope dropping, do we?
Yeah.
Not as much lately, but yeah, so see what the crowd looks like going back to Slinky. But I don't think it'll be too bad at this point. We're walking into Toy Story Land. Thus far, it doesn't look too busy. So unless there's a massive group of people that got in here really quickly before us, I think we'll be pretty good. But it's very pretty in the morning. And it's not too hot right now. Well, I spoke too soon. There is quite a bit of people here, but we'll see what the wait is from here. Actually, this is way worse than it is because they're not actually letting people into the queues yet. So this is not too bad of a wait because, like I said, the line is stopping right in front of it. So this hopefully shouldn't be too bad. Right?
Yes.
Alright, going to the queue. It says 30 minutes from here, so we'll time that out. About to get on now. That was maybe 10 minutes once the line opened, so not too bad. You excited?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Whoa. Was that fun?
Yeah.
All right, well that took about 10 minutes once we got in line, so that was a win, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a win. So now we're gonna go do Toy Story Mania. It has a 5-minute wait, and then probably Smuggler's Run after that. And just for reference sake, now Slinky Dog is a 50-minute wait. So getting here for early entry and rope dropping it paid off. So now we're gonna see what all we can fit in. And the queue for Toy Story Mania looks pretty empty. It said 5-minute wait, so should be a walk-on. We're about to go on. How long was the wait?
It was 5 minutes.
If even that. Yeah, those glasses look great.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna see who gets the high score, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
And I'm gonna beat you.
Oh, we'll see. Okay. I got 210. You got 50. You did good. I'm sorry. Yeah. Man, I still gotta beat 300,000. Some good scores. Good job, babe.
Yeah.
Little fact, if you guys didn't know it, Toy Story Mania actually takes place under Andy's bed. There's the bedpost, and this is his room, and you go under his bed when you play the game, and when you come out, you're back in the bedroom. All right, we got Slinky Dog Dash done, we got Toy Story Mania done, and it's just now 8:30. So, gonna head over and do Smuggler's Run, because it's got a low wait. I think even Touring Plan said it's only got an 8-minute wait. So we're gonna go over there and do that, and then maybe be able to squeeze one more in before even 9 o'clock. So, that's what we're gonna do, right? Yeah. Well, even at 8:30, and this is early entry hours, but Toy Story Land's not really crazy. We're gonna see what it looks like in Galaxy's Edge, but I picked up a passenger. Somebody's tired, right?
Yes. Of walking.
Yeah, it's a lot of walking.
Yes.
So, yeah, comes with the duties. And Aliens Flying Saucers is a 5-minute wait, but we're not gonna do that because we want to do Smuggler's Run, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. As we enter the tranquility of a Star Wars land, supposedly. Well, not too busy back here either. Go see what the wait time is, but I don't think it's too bad. Alright, we're back here. There's the Millennium Falcon. It says the standby time is 25 minutes, but we will test that and see.
Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, hold on the stick to fly out, and push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Julie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that glass out. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Alright, we just got done with Smugglers. We have 8:55, so we have 5 minutes. We're going to try and get over to Mickey and Minnie's Runway Railway, and that will give us 4 rides before 9 o'clock. So 4 rides in an hour. Then after that, we do whatever else you want to do.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. But yeah, so we're going to head that way, walking pretty quick, because we got 5 minutes before the rest of the park opens, and that line is going to get much busier. So we're hurrying. And if you're wondering why we didn't try and do Rise of the Resistance, because this is an 80-minute wait, and our daughter would rather do Slinky Dog versus Smuggler's Run, or than Rise of the Resistance. So you basically have to choose one of those. So that's why we did that. We'll change the plans. Mickey and Minnie's is down, so we're gonna go do Muppet Vision, because she doesn't remember doing it, but she's done it. It's just been a while. But we're gonna go do that because it's got a 10-minute wait.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I have your attention, please? Excuse me.
What?
Yes.
Really? Here?
Right over there.
Well, of course, certainly. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an unexpected surprise. I have the great honor of introducing the one, the only, Mr. Mickey Mouse.
Hello, hi there, welcome to my class. How you doing?
Whoa. You are not Mickey Mouse, you're a rat.
It's been a bit since I've done this. And you don't remember this at all, correct?
No, I do not.
Okay, it'll be new for you. Alright, what'd you think of Muppet Vision?
It was good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
The one where the room that got sucked up.
Do you like that part?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Alright, the park is open now. Star Tours is a 30-minute wait. Everything else is kind of high-minute wait. So to just round out doing 5 things, we're gonna go meet Olaf. You wanna go meet Olaf?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna get a coffee and snack. I think that'll be it for a quick little day trip here. What'd they give you? Did Olaf sign that? Oh man, that was nice. You can say hi. Say hi, Olaf. Yeah, yeah. So nice.
And those ears back your nose.
Was he happy to see you?
Yeah.
Yeah. You think he recognized you with your tooth missing?
He didn't even notice.
You don't think he noticed?
No.
Okay. Was that fun though?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So I think the last thing we should do, because it's like a little after 9:30, let's go get a snack, and Daddy needs some coffee, and then that'll probably be it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Well, whatever 7-year-old wants at 9:30 in the morning is a Mickey bar. Is it good? Okay. All right, well, I think that is going to do it for our little short, maybe 2-hour day here so far. We got here like right at 8. It's a little bit after 9:30, but we got a lot of things done. We did Slinky Dog, we did Toy Story Mania, we did Smuggler's Run, and then we did Muppet Vision. And then we got an Mickey ice cream bar, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And then we met Olaf.
We did, and we met Olaf, you're right, we met Olaf. So we actually did like 6 things.
Yeah.
If you're thinking about doing early entry hours, if you're staying on property, if you rope drop it, you get a lot of stuff done. We walked right on to Slinky Dog, right on Toy Story Mania, and really right on to Smuggler. So right off the bat, before 9 o'clock, got a lot of stuff done. So it's been a good morning. I'm gonna go get some coffee. All right, well, if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment and let us know if you've done early entry hours and what you think about it. And if you like having ice cream at 9:30 in the morning. I think we all do. So,
Yeah.
all right, we are gonna get out of here. So, until next time, we will see you in the parks. Say bye.